Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. It is a question for class 11 Maths, exercise 4.1, question 19 from NCERT book. Chapter is PMI, Principle of Mathematical Induction. In this question, n into n plus 1 into n plus 5 is a multiple of 3. This statement we have to prove. In previous sums up to question 17, we had to prove that LHS is equal to RHS, whereas in question 18, it was to prove that RHS is greater than LHS. But this question is different, in which simple statement is given and that is to be proved, so its solution is also somehow different, right? So the solution will be also of this question in 4 steps as we are doing earlier. So in first step we shall write, let the given statement be P of n, means principle of mathematical induction of n term. P of n is such that n into n plus 1, n plus 5 is a multiple of 3. This step we are doing like this for first step, that is nothing difficult. In second step we assume that n is equal to 1. So if n equal to 1, then P of 1 is such that, so in this first term is not, all term is first term because there is a multiplication, not any sum or minus was there, so it is only one term, so we shall take complete one term. So wherever n is there we shall give 1. So 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 5 will be 1 into 1 plus 1 2 into 1 plus 5 6. It will be 6 into 2 12 into 1 12. So it is 12 is multiple of 3. So this 12 is multiple of 3, means 12 is equal to 3 into 4. So 12 is a multiple of 3. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So this P of n is multiple of 3, which we are to prove in the question. So we shall write, so n is equal to 1 is true. Now in third step we are assuming as n is equal to k. So let P of k be true for some positive integer k, that is n is equal to k. So P of k will be such that wherever n is there, for that place we shall write k. So k into k plus 1 into k plus 5, k plus 5 is a multiple of 3. Now we can write this k into k plus 1 into k plus 5 equal to 3 into x. Why we have written 3 into x? So I don't know the value of this. Whatever the value, that will be multiple of 3. This may be 3 into 9, 27. So x is equal to 9 at that place. If it is 3 into 7, it will be 21. Whatever may be value, we are not knowing. So this 3 will remain, but x will be variable 9, 7, any number. So 3x, by this variable we shall represent the multiples of 3, right? So we shall write here, that is x belongs to natural number n. That is, x belongs to natural number n. And this we shall take as equation 1. In fourth step, we have to prove that p of k plus 1 is also true. So p of k plus 1, we shall write, it is n, so we shall write here k plus 1, it is n plus 1, so we shall write k plus 1 and plus 1, and it is n plus 5, so we shall write k plus 1 plus 5, right? For this we shall take it as y, multiple of 3 is equal to y. So where y belongs to natural number n. This is p of k, so 3x value is there. X may be any variable, multiple of 3, and p of k plus 1, that will be different. So multiple value of this will also be different from this value, but it will be multiple of 3, and that multiple we are taking as y. Okay, suppose this is 15, so here it will be 3 into 5. Suppose it is 18, it will be 3 into 6. So variable x and y will change according to the value of these LHS. Okay, this we shall take as equation 2. Now in equation 1 and equation 2, earlier what we are doing, up to p of k we are taking RHS because that was common in both the steps, but in this we find that only k plus 1 equal to is common to both the steps. So we shall take common as k plus 1, but value of k plus 1 will be found by this step 3. So by equation 1, k plus 1 will be, k plus 1 is here, it is 3x this side, k and k plus 5 is multiplied with k plus 1, so it will be divided k into k plus 5, and that this value of k plus 1 will be put in equation 2. This value of k plus 1 we shall put in equation 2. So we shall write 3x for k plus 1, we shall write 3x by k plus 5 into this k plus 1 means k plus 2, this k plus 5 plus 1 6, right, will be 3y, right? So we can write this 3 into x into k plus 2 into k plus 6 by k plus 5, and for this 3 is here, 3 is here, so it is y is, this part is equal to y. So we shall write is equal to 3y, where y equal to x k plus 2 k plus 6 by k plus into k plus 5. So we find that this is multiple of 3, whatever may be the value of this part, whatever may be the value of this, but after all this is the multiple of 3. So this is multiple of 3, y means this part. Okay, so it proves that k plus 1, p of k plus 1 is also a multiple of 3, because this part is multiple of 3. 3 is there and this is multiple. Okay, so we shall write, so P of k plus 1 is true whenever P of k is true. Hence, by PMI, principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for n belongs to natural number n. This is our answer. I hope you like. Please share and subscribe it. And if you have any doubt, please write in comment box. I will reply it. Thanks.